You know, the weather has finally cooled off out there. Fall is here, and that means the leaves are changing. The North Carolina mountains are gorgeous this time of year, and Tamala Rich is here with some places you will definitely want to check out. I mean, we can start checking some of these places out now, right?
Now, this is a good week for a mental health day.
Will you write that note for me and sign it?
You got it. You got it.
I love it.
The festivals, there are a ton of festivals in the mountains this weekend, and you can go up and pick apples and the Woolly Worm Festival, all kinds of fun cultural festivals.
Sure.
So the next 2 weeks are great time to go to the mountains.
And you talk about going to and getting kind of 2-for-1 here by visiting some of the waterfalls, right?
Yes. There are 3 places that have great waterfalls and
you can see the leaves turning. Okay,
right.
so DuPont State Forest is one of them.
Yes, it's just south of Brevard.
Okay,
and it has 3 magnificent waterfalls. Look at that!
Wow,
on a 7-mile trail that's very clearly marked. Bring the camera. Wear shoes with tread when you're going around the waterfalls. And then the next place we're talking about is Linville Gorge.
Oh, pretty. Yes,
now,
I love Linville Gorge.
You were there.
Yes, earlier in the summer.
And Linville Gorge has a 3-tiered waterfall.
Right.
It's where, for many of us who remember the movie Last of the Mohicans, it was filmed there.
Oh,
and
that's a little fun fact. I didn't realize that. Okay.
There are 2 different trails that you can take. One is a little more strenuous, the other less so. Either way, you'll get gorgeous color. You can never go wrong in Linville Gorge.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I remember all of the foliage, and it's so green and lush there in the summer. But, yeah, perfect place for the fall.
Yep.
Stone Mountain State Park in Roaring Gap.
Roaring Gap. It's got that great grand...
Al is seconding your choice here, too.
You know, asking me which is my favorite state park is like asking which is my favorite child. But this is right up there, that big granite dome. And there are 3 waterfalls here in Stone Mountain State Park, along with some history. There's an old settlement there that they've turned into, they preserved for guests. So I have some tips for leaf peeping.
Okay, go ahead.
First is to wear polarized sunglasses.
Why so?
It filters, you know, it's hazy up there, and it filters out some of that.
Oh, and you can see the color better.
You can see the color better.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
The other that I know Al will also second is dress in layers. Because when you go to elevation, you know, it changes, and a cold-natured person like you, I don't know what to say. Wear a parka.
It's freezing out there right now. You're like, oh no, it's great. But yeah, so be prepared for that.
In layers, and make one of those layers a rain layer.
Okay.
Once again, when you're at elevation, clouds hold moisture, and they can let go at any point. Sometimes it'll actually snow or rain.
Yeah. Now you have a free downloadable guide, right, for the Blue Ridge Parkway?
I do. Just go to TamalaRich.com, and it has some apps that you can use, you know, for your visit to the mountains, as well as a mile-by-mile guide to what to see and do on the Blue Ridge Parkway.
I'm going to have to go log on right now. Good stuff. Thank you, Tamala.
You're welcome.
All right. Looking forward to that. Go get out there and watch some leaves. Let's go to meteorologist